Hi all, welcome back to Odoo 17 development tutorial. Today in this video, let's discuss about how to make a field storable in Odoo 17. For that, I've already created a model student record in my college management module. So I have already created a record here. So here you can see the fields like first name, last name, father, mother, guardian, date of birth, age, address, phone number, email, etc. If we check the backend, in the backend, here you can see my module that is college management and the model that is student.record. Here you can see the fields, and among these fields, here you can see that the field age is a computed field. So this field, since it is a computed field and since it has no inverse, so this field is not stored in a database. So in that case, we cannot filter them or we cannot group by them. So if we group by them, if we search in the backend. So I'm going to search in the backend that I'm going to filter it based on the age. So here you can see that if I search for age, here you can see that the age field cannot be seen in the filter. So since that field is not stored in the database, in order to store that field in the database, we need to give the attribute store equal to true in the Python. So here I'm going to add a new attribute that is store equal to true. So after giving store equal to true, let me run the Python and let's refresh here and let's add, I have added the date of birth here. So let's create a new record. So let me give it as Anil. Let me give Anil Kumar. And here I'm going to calculate or give the date of birth. So I'm going to give it as the year as 2022 March 1. Okay. So the age has been calculated as 2. So let me save it here. And here I'm going to filter it. So let me filter and let me search for age. So you can see that after giving the store equal to true, here you can see the age field for filtering. So I'm going to set the filter here. So I'm going to filter it based on the age equal to 2 and let me add it. So you can see that now you are able to filter it. So this is how we can make a field storable in Odoo 17. Thank you.